Let's see how to connect Realme Buds Wireless 3 to iPhone. Out of the time, but they said they do both the 20 a life watch light brownie help out of my tech. Bluetooth buds showing up on your iPhone. Connect it now. If your Bluetooth buds are not showing on your iPhone, then go to the second method. If the Bluetooth earbuds device is not showing up, then reset your Bluetooth earbuds device. This is the reset button. Press and hold the reset button on the earbuds for 10 seconds. Then your Bluetooth earbuds will be reset. Now your Bluetooth device is showing up on iPhone. Now connect your Bluetooth device and enjoy the music.